All right, Pelicans fans, we're back again with another push and pale segment at work, so I gotta hurry up and kind of get these push-ups in. We got 104 to do. Pelicans are the 1 seed in the West. They take on the Suns, who are another top seed in the West, and also the playoff matchup that we had last year. So let's get it. 104. Pelicans play the Suns back-to-back games starting tonight at 7:30 in the Smoothie King Center. Let's get it. All right, that's 104. Watch the game tonight in the building. That's right over there at Smoothie King Center against the Suns. Let's stay in first place. Let's get it.